Hello everyone, welcome to Snow Bundle channel. Today I'll be discussing on the worksheet share option which I'm highlighting over here. This worksheet share option is mainly helpful when we wanted to collaboratively work with the other user by sharing the SQL queries via the Snowsight worksheet itself. So this avoids separately copying the SQL queries in a notepad or in any of the document then sharing with the other user. So we can utilize this share option which comes with multiple grants, so that we will discuss now. So here I'll be sharing this create and grant role worksheet with the other user which is interior 2, and if I wanted to share this worksheet with the interior 2 then I can add it like this. So when I will give the interior 2 username, then it is showing that view result option. So these are the three grants which we can give to the interior 2 or the other user whom we wanted to share this worksheet. So view result will allow the interior 2 to view only the result which is executed by the user 1 through the SQL queries. However, the user 2 won't be able to edit the SQL queries or run the SQL queries through that worksheet. And when we will give view+run grant, that time user 2 would be able to run the SQL queries which is written in the SQL worksheet by the user 1. However, he won't be able to edit the SQL queries. I have given the view+run to the interior 2 and I will give done, and moving to the user 2. Here we can see that create plus grant role worksheet has been shared. So let me just refresh this URL. We can see that create and grant role worksheet is present in the user 2 which is interior 2. If I just open that, we can see that this worksheet is assigned with the read role and the dev warehouse, and interior 2 user would be able to run the queries with this worksheet. However, if the user 2 tries to edit any of the SQL queries which is written in this worksheet, or if we wanted to add it, then that permission is not given. Since it is just view+run access, the user won't be able to additionally add any of the SQL queries or edit the SQL queries. So let us now try giving the edit access to the user 2 from the user 1. I will go to the share option and I will be updating to the edit grant for the interior 2 user, then done. Now I will move to user 2 and I will just refresh this URL. We can see that role and warehouse is enabled. It means that interior 2 would be able to change the worksheet role as well as the warehouse assigned to this worksheet. As we can see now, interior 2 would be able to edit the queries and run the queries. I'll be editing one of the queries over here. I'll give limit 2 for this table and run this query. Now it is showing the result as 1 and 2 for the ID column. If I just go to user 1 and refresh the URL, here we can see that create and grant role worksheet for the user 1 which is interior yes is showing the result which is ran by the user 2. It means that whatever the edit and execute done on the worksheet by the user 2, that will be updating for the user 1 as well. So coming to the share grants, so usually this edit grant will be used by the developer when they wanted to work collaboratively, and view+run grant will be given to the testers. This also the view result will be given to the testers. And if you don't want to add externally users one by one, then we can generate one link with the view+run. However, people with link won't have an option to edit, since any of the user who is having the link can modify the worksheet. Because of that, the maximum access or the grant can be given as view+run. So when we will give this view+run and get link, it will generate a link, and with this link any of the user having this link would be able to access this worksheet and can view the SQL queries and run the SQL queries. That's it for this video. Thank you.